Well, so we have a train here at m156. It's been like 2 years or more since I have seen a train here. Last time I was here, I was only like 11 years old, or only 10. But now I got older since then. The westbound local train, which is NSB 67, and it looks like he's moving out, so these mechanical bells should be going off any second now. Papa, is that car gonna make it behind me or probably not? How far was it? Only a mile? Well, if I'm right, he's only about a half a mile right now. And at most crossings, these, not the ones here, but most of these NS crossings will go down when a train is a half a mile. Sometimes about a mile. Depending how fast they're going. But anyway, let's see if any of these mechanical bells are dead. Since last time I was here. Sorry about the wind. Folks, it is coming, I believe. I think so, yep. I heard the horn, so it's coming. See, Papa, these are not as loud as Seneca.
Yeah.
Or they're not really.
No.
Papa, are they loud though? Oh, he's moving out. Papa, is he gonna go around it or no? You wave, okay? The whole time.
Yeah.
Why?
Nobody is he?
He's just sitting there. Oh, there. Oh, and by the way, since the last time I was here, this very busy road got some new asphalt since I was here last time. So no issues with these mechanical bells. After all, I thought one of these would have been dead by now, but nope. But okay. Maybe I'll let you all hear the horn.